Hello everyone. Today we will see a 15 lines essay on unity in diversity. So let's start with the video. First point is India is a country which celebrates unity in diversity. Second point, unity in diversity is necessary so all religions can coexist and there is peace and harmony everywhere. Third point, various festivals of different religions are celebrated peacefully all over India. Fourth, it feels wonderful when everyone works in unity and harmony and there is positive energy around us. Next, unity in diversity combines everyone's efforts and promotes peace. Sixth point, it develops mutual understanding and empathy. Seventh point, living with unity and diversity can be beautiful and show us humanity's uniqueness. 8. Unity in diversity leads to prosperity. Next, unity in diversity is all about being together no matter what the circumstances are. 10th, unity in diversity teaches us that we all can live together and be tolerant of all values. 11th, it is necessary for the betterment of humanity. 12th, India has a great constitution that guarantees citizens' rights even if they belong to different religions and cultures. 13th, unity among the people saves the society from crimes and calamities. 14th, unity in diversity will help in the growth and development of our country. 15th point, unity in diversity strengthens the democratic system of the country and the confidence of the people in the government also increases. So that was about unity in diversity. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to Smile Please World. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.